Hey everybody, welcome to another video by whbproductions, and in this tutorial we are going to be making an animated Instagram post exactly like this. So it's really important to make these Instagram posts very attractive because this will get you more engagement and likes and comments on your profile. So whatever you share on Instagram or social media, if you add some animation to your videos or some call to actions, then you can really get some good engagement. So before you get too excited and start messing around with After Effects, let's get straight to the video. So we are going to jump straight into After Effects, and we are going to first of all create a new composition and import our video over here. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead with 1080 by 1080 because that is the standard size for Instagram. And I'm just going to have a 5-second composition, but you can have a greater second composition if you have a larger video. Select OK. Then you will have this screen over here. By right clicking, you can select import and bring your files inside, but I already have mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop this over here. I'm going to just adjust this by holding down shift, so just so I can see this much clearer. So this will be our video over here. Let's decrease the resolution, and this is going to play just like this. So in order to add some text or some icons over here, we first of all need to create an overlay for this. So for a gradient overlay, we're going to select this layer, select layer styles, and add our gradient overlay. So what this is going to do is it's going to make your text visible. So for this gradient overlay, let's just go ahead and edit the colors over here. I'm just going to drag this black to the opposite side. I'm going to make this opacity 0. So while editing this, I'm just going to go ahead and drag this picker. This will be in the center. So as you can see, if you drag this over here, then this will move upwards. So I'm just going to need the text downwards. So this over here will be fine. Just a little over here. And then for this opacity, I'm just going to change it to 60%. Now select OK, and you will have this black overlay over here, just so you can place your text. So now I'm going to select a new layer and a new text layer over here. Let's just write our wordings. For the text color, I'm just going to go ahead and select white for this, and I'm just going to go ahead and decrease the size to 40. So 40 will be fine for this, and I'm just going to go ahead and select this tool over here and drag this text downwards by selecting this layer and positioning it just over here so that it looks nice. So once we have our text over here, then we need to go ahead and just animate this. Select P on your keyboard for position, and after a few seconds, after a few milliseconds, we're going to animate this, and let's just go to 1 second. Select the position over here and then go backwards and drag this downwards. So this is going to reveal our text from below. If you see this animation, then this is going to move like this, exactly like this. So in order to make this animation a little more fluid, what we are going to do is we are going to edit the graph for this. So select this graph editor button, right click and edit speed graph. So this is what we are going to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create this by dragging these points down. I'm just going to create this loop, and then I'm just going to drag this point to the farthest to the left. So what this is going to do is this is going to make your animation look smooth, and it is going to be fast in the beginning and then slow afterwards. So this is really important for fluid text animations. Then we can close this graph editor and we will have this. Now for this next part, I already have Instagram like button over here, or you can find this online, and you can just go ahead and decrease the size for this. drag it over here, just somewhere over here, and then we're going to animate this now. So after dragging our icon over here, then we can just go at around 2 seconds or maybe a little further. Then we can select P on our keyboard to open position and click this stopwatch over here. Then after that we will move a little behind and then just go ahead and drag this downwards like this. So this is also going to animate our icon over here, but what we need to do is we need to reveal this icon from the thin air or from the enjoy your life text as you see over here. So for this, what I'm going to do is select a new shape layer and create our shape over here. So at this farthest point, as you can see over here, I'm just going to go ahead and make a shape layer over here and hide this. And for the next step, I'm going to select this track matte over here. If you cannot see this, then you need to press F4 and you will see more options. By the way, if you are liking this video so far, then please be sure to hit that like button and comment below if you want more animations like this. Now on this Insta like layer, as you can see below over here, I'm just going to hide this for a second and you can see that this is below, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this track matte over here. So what this will do is this is going to hide our logo or icon over here, and this is going to reveal from within. So it looks really cool. So track matte can be a bit difficult to master in the start, but as you get used to this option, then this is a very helpful option in your animation. So this is worth learning. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit the speed graph for this as well. Selecting position, graph editor, I'm just going to go ahead and make a cone over here and drag this, just making this type of shape. So this is going to smooth out our animation a lot. So as you can see over here, and then I'm going to close this. Now I will play this animation and let's see how it looks. So this looks really good. So another really interesting thing that you can do is you can pre-compose this layer over here, this text layer, and you can change the words however you want them, whenever you want, and you can just go ahead and replace this video and you will have the same thing. So for doing that, I'm just going to right click this text layer and select pre-compose. You can name it anything you want. Let's select words, select OK, and you will see this option over here. Double click this button over here and this is going to open your text, and I'm just going to go ahead and replace my text with something else, and you will see that your text is going to change over here as well. So it's going to be updated, and it's a very good thing if you want to continuously make new posts and add new videos over here. So you can do the same thing with this video. If you don't want to apply the gradient overlay again and again, so right click, select pre-compose, and let's select video. Okay, and double click this layer and you can replace your video whenever you want by any video that you have. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please leave a like and comment below on what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. So thanks so much for watching.